Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain you from exercise 4.3, that is from 9th standard NCERT. In that question number 2, give the equations of two lines passing through the point 2 and 4. How many more such lines are there and why? So we have to give the equations of two lines. So we have to form two equations where they are passing through the point, that is 2 and 14. So this is the value of x and this is the value of y. So this point, so these two equations passing through this points means what? So this point must lie on the given two lines. So we'll write the equations first and then we'll answer the second one. So let me explain you. It means what? Suppose in a graph there are these lines. This is the point 2 and 14. And through this point, two lines are passing. So let us take these two lines are passing through this point. It means what? This point is an solution of this line also and this line also. So we have to write the equation of these two lines. So what is the solution here? Solution is what? Nothing but the value of x and y. So using these two, you can form many equations. So I'll show you some of the equations. So here you can see, here x is 2 and y is 14. So we can form equation, it's formed by equal sign, you all know. So we can form the equation by adding, subtracting, dividing and by multiplying. So first of all, I'll add these two. So x plus y. So whenever this equation, instead of this coordinate points, you have to use the variable. So x plus y, it should be equals to what? 2 plus 14 is 16. So this is one of the equation. So if you draw the line for this equation, definitely you will get what? 2 and 14 as one of the coordinate point. Similarly, we can do x into y. So x into y, 2 14 is 28. So this is second equation. So two equations they asked to form the two equations for this point. So there can be many equations. So you can subtract also x minus y equals to. So x is 2 and y is 14. 2 minus 14 is 12. But here this it will have what? Minus sign. So it will be minus 12. So this is third equation. Fourth equation, x minus y. So x is 2 and y is 14. So here you can see 2 upon 14 is 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. So this is 1 upon 7. So this is fourth equation. Like that you can form many equations. So you can take y upon x. So many equations you can form. Because we know that through the given point, through one point, we can pass many lines. That is infinite lines we can pass. So for that each line, there will be a point what? 2 and 14 will be what? Common for all these lines. So we can form many equations. So that is the answer of the second statement. How many more such lines are there and why? Because there can be infinitely many lines. So your answer should be what? There can be infinitely many lines passing through the point 2 and 14. So again they ask why? Because through a given point, infinitely, because I shown here, infinitely many lines can pass. So this solution is of many lines. So the question was, you have to form two equations. So I have shown you how to form the equations. So you can form many equations, and these all equations represents the lines that those pass through the point 2 and 14. If you like my video, comment, share and subscribe my channel.